And here's the other fan I got. Got this the same day as the Galaxy 3746 I showed, though I purchased it on a different day. This is a 1970's Hoover desk fan, model 6708. This is the 10-inch model. Yeah, this is after this is from the 70s, after they officially all became Hoover. As a lot of us know, Hoover bought out Knapp Monarch sometime during the 60s or 70s. Well, for a while they still said Knapp Monarch, though they were owned by Hoover, but then after a while they all became Hoover. But here's this one. As you can see, it's the base is that harvest gold color. And there's the Hoover badge. You always thought these blades are white, but when I actually saw this one for the first time, I realized the blades are actually, I guess you can call them an Alaskan beige, or some kind of beige. Well, and we'll have an overall look at this. And once again, it's that harvest gold color. The base and the motor cover. Here's the other side. Here's the oscillating mechanism. It's just like the one that's on that green Sears branded Knapp Monarch that I have. And look at the back. And there's the switch. Yeah, this is a 2-speed model. They would have 3 speeds for the 12-inch model, which I've got one of those on the way. Okay, now we'll see it running. Here's high. This one seems to run pretty smooth and quiet. And yet has a good prominent motor line. And it does throw out a good breeze. Here's low. And we'll get the oscillator going. Once again, these can be kind of tricky. Well, that's low with oscillation. Crank it back up to high. And that's high with oscillation. And we'll try to disengage the oscillator. And finally, OFF spells off. It's got pretty good coast down time. And there you have it. It's my Hoover model 6708 10-inch oscillating desk fan from the 70s sometime, formerly by Knapp Monarch. So thank you for watching.